Hey guys, Tom here, and welcome back to another video. Before I get started, I'd just like to say thank you guys for supporting my channel. I just made it to the 100 subscriber milestone, and this channel wouldn't be the same without you guys, so I'd like to say thank you again, and I'll try to come out with a 100 subscriber special. For then, let's get right into the video. So in the summer, you guys remember I made the AR Hunter Tom plate. Body armor, the Airgun proof vest, and let's just say I was testing it against a special weapon, and it got pretty serious, pretty quick, like fast, you know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And yeah, this thing, seriously, just like, come on. I don't think it's very usable anymore, but anyways. Let's get in the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.